Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter Linear Equations in One Variable, exercise 2.4, first problem. Find the value of x so that L parallel to M. In the given diagram, there are two lines L and M. These two lines are parallel to each other. Then automatically, this line, assume that N, this line is transversal line. Now in previous class, we learned about parallel lines and a transversal line. When you draw a transversal line on parallel lines, you will get four angles like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? Two acute angle and one obtuse angle. The sum of these two angles always 180 degrees. Because on a line at a point, one side of angles are 180 degrees. These two angles are called corresponding angles because common point, common arm. And 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 8, 7, 6. These angles are vertically opposite angles. 1 obtuse angle, 5 obtuse angle. These two angles are corresponding angles. 4, 8 corresponding, 2, 6 corresponding angles. 3, 4, 5, 6 interior angles. 1, 2, 7, 8 exterior angles. 5, 4, 3, 6, 1, 8. These are alternative interior, alternative exterior angles. All these we learn in a previous class. Now here L and M are parallel lines. Then automatically this N is transversal line. 2x plus 15 degrees, 3x minus 10 degrees. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Actually both these are acute angles. Okay. So all acute angles are equal in this condition. 2x plus 15, 3x minus 10 are vertically opposite angles and equal to each other. Now 2x plus 15 is equal to 3x minus 10 degrees. Both are same. How? Using this diagram as per the problem. Take all variables one side and all constants one side. Plus 3x when you send this side minus 3x plus 15 is equal that side minus 15. Now 2x minus 3x, their difference is minus x. Minus 10 minus 15 minus 25. Now this minus and minus get cancel, or send x is equal to that side, 25 is equal to this side. Value of x is equal to 25. Asked in the problem, find the value of x. Then just I checked here, is it right or wrong. 2x plus 15, substitute x besides 25. Plus 15, 225 are 50 plus 15, 65 degrees. 3x minus 10, 325 minus 10, 325 are 75 minus 10, 65 degrees. Both are same. So our answer is correct. Now second problem. 8 times of a number reduced by 10. Here most of the problems, all problems are mentally you think about the problem using the conditions. 8 times of a number, let be a number x. 8 times of a number reduced by 10 is equal to the sum of 6 times of a number, the number add 4. This is the condition given in mathematical language as a problem. Okay. Now take all variables one side. 8x minus 6x, all constants one side. 8x is 6, 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 by 2, 2 1s are 2 7s are. Value of x is equal to 7. So what is that number? 7. See, let the number be x. 8 times of a number 8x reduced by 10 means minus 10. 6 times of same number 6x, add 4, 6x plus 4. As per the problem, both are same. 8x minus 10 is equal to 6x plus 4. All variables one side, 8x minus 6x is equal to 4 plus 10. 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 by 2 gives 7. So required number is 7. Next, third problem. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. A number consists how many digits? 2 digits, 2 digit number. There is this 2 digit sum is 9. First number plus second number. This 2 digit in that 2 digit number, sum of 2 digits is 9. If 27 subtracted from that number, means 2 digit number is subtracted 27, then what happened? Its digits are reversed. First number, second number, reversed as first number, second number. Understood? For example, there is a number 81. When you subtracted 27, it will be changed as 18. For example, it's not equal. For example, 2 digit number, when you subtracted 27, these digits are reversed. Got it? So assume that ones place is x. Then what will be the tens place? Sum of these 2 digits are 9. So this tens place digits is equal to 9 minus x. If ones place is x, then tens place is 9 minus x. Write the expanded form for this 2 digit number. 9 minus x as a tens place plus x as ones place. Then 9 tens are 90 minus 10x plus x. This is total 2 digit number. When you subtracted 27, these digits are reversed. So now ones place is 9 minus x and tens place is x. What happened? 10x plus 9 minus x, 9x plus 9 after subtracting 27. With this we can conclude that 90 minus 10x plus x minus 27 is equal to 9x plus 9. See, 90 minus 9x minus 27 is equal to 9x plus 9. Now 90 minus 27, 90 minus 20, 70, 70 minus 7, 63 minus 9x plus 63 is equal to 9x plus 9. Take all variables one side, minus 9x, this minus 9x is equal to 9 minus 63 minus 18x. The difference 63 and 9 how much? 3, 6, 54. Okay, minus 54. X is equal to minus 54 by minus 18. 18 3s are 54, minus get cancel. Value of x is 3. What is x? Ones place. Then tens place, 9 minus x, 9 minus 3, 6. Tens place 6, ones place 3. So our required number is 63. Now see, let the digit in the units place is bx. Sum of the digits of the number 9. The digit in the tens place of the number is 9 minus x. The number, this is a tens place, this is a ones place. The number whose digits are reversed. Then what is the number? This is tens place, this is ones place. So as per the condition, tens place, ones place, when you subtracted 27, these digits are reversed. Okay. Then 10 9s are 90 minus 10x plus x1, x minus 27 is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x. Now 90 minus 10x, x difference minus 9x minus 27. 10x minus x, 9x plus 9. Now 90 minus 27, 63 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9. Take all variables one side. Minus 9x is equal to 9 minus 63. Their difference minus 54. Take x as a subject, then send all remaining numbers. You will get 3. The digit in the unit place of the number is 3. Tens place 9 minus x, 9 minus 3, 6. So required number is 63. Now next, fourth problem. A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. If the two parts are in the ratio 5:3, find the number and the two parts. See, I will show you. Listen. A number is divided into two parts. The ratio of two parts 5:3. Let be the two parts are 5x, 3x. One part is 10 more than the other. So this is 5 parts, this is 3 parts. You add 10 for a smaller number. 5x is equal to 3x plus 10 as per the problem. Take all variables one side. 5x minus 3x is equal to 10, 2x 10, x is equal to 5. Then one part 5x, 5 5 are 25. Other part 3x, 3 5 are 15. Then the number 25 plus 15, 40. Next, fourth problem. When I triple a certain number, let be a number x, triple of the number 3x and add 2. And add 2 means 3x plus 2. I get the same answer as I do when I subtracted the number from 50. 50 minus x. These two conditions are same as per the problem. Okay. Now 3x plus 2 is equal to 50 minus x. Take this minus x is equal to this side plus x. Send this plus 2 is equal to that side. 3x plus x, 4x is equal to 50 minus 2, 48. X is equal to 48 by 4. 4 1 is 4 2s are. So value of x is equal to 12. Required number x is equal to 12. Now next, sixth problem. Mary is twice older than her sister. If her sister age is x years, then Mary age is 2x years. After 5 years, she will be 2 years older than her sister. After 5 years, their difference is 2 years more than. Find how old are they both now. Let the present age of Mary's sister be x years. Then Mary age 2x years. After 5 years, sister age is x plus 5. Mary age is 2x plus 5. These two ages difference 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 plus 2 because 2 years difference. So we add 2 for smaller age as per the problem. Take all variables one side, all constant one side. Plus 5 minus 5 plus x minus x. 2x minus x, x plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. 2 years. So Mary age is 2 years. Her older sister age is 2 years. 2 to the 4 years. Now next, seventh problem. In 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? Whatever asked the question, you assume that is x. Let's Reshma present age be x. After 5 years, her age x plus 5. 9 years ago, her age x minus 9. Both compare condition is 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. So you multiply with 3. 9 years ago 3 times. X plus 5 is equal to 3 of x minus 9. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 9s are 27. This is 9. Okay. Now take all variables one side. Plus x send is equal to that side minus x. Minus 27 send this side plus 27. 3x minus x, 2x is equal to 27 plus 5, 32. X is equal to 32 by 2, 16. So Reshma age is 16 years. And the last 8th problem. A town population increased by 1200 people and then this new population decreased by 11%. The town now had 32 less people than it did before that 1200 increase. Find the original population. Whatever given the problem, assume that is x. The town population be x. Population increased how much? 1200. The new population of the town is x plus 1200. You decrease this new population by 11%. So decreased percentage is equal to 11%. Then what is the present remaining percentage? Total 100. Decreased 11. 100 minus 11, 89 percentage. 89 percentage of new population is equal to 32 people less than before we increased 1200. Means x. X minus 32. These two are same as per the problem. Okay. Now, any number, for example, what is the 15% of 200? Okay, like a question. Then to remove this percentage, you divide with 100. 15 by 100 into 200. Denominator 1. 2 zeros get cancelled. 15 2s are 30. Another question. What is the 25% of 500? Then whenever you want to remove the percentage, just divide with 100 into half means multiplication into 500. Nothing is there in denominator means 1. Two zeros cancel. 25 5s are 125. Like you practice some more problems, then you can understand easily. Now 89% of new population is equal to 32 people less than before increased 1200 people. So x minus 32. To remove this percentage by 100 into x plus 1200 is equal to x minus 32. Now 89 by 100 into x plus 1200. Send this 100 is equal to that side. Okay. Now 89 into x plus 89 into 1200 is equal to 100 into x. 100x. 100 into 32 3200. Now 89x plus these two numbers product is 1,06,800 is equal to 100x minus 3200. Now take all variables one side. This is not 100x minus 89x is equal to sum of these two numbers 1,10,000. The difference of these two numbers 11x is equal to 1,10,000. X is equal to 1,10,000 by 11. After cancellation we get 10,000 people of population. Okay, I hope you understood all my problems and solution. Thank you so much.